These are my quick sourdough discard dinner rolls. They are super soft and fluffy and so easy to make. From start to finish, you can have these on your table in just about an hour. I'm going to walk you through how to make these step by step. If at any point you need the written or printable recipe, I have that in the description for you. To get started, you're going to need some warm water, melted butter, yeast, honey, salt, bread flour, an egg, and some sourdough discard. I grab the bowl of my stand mixer with a kitchen scale underneath, and we're going to start with 240 grams of warm water. This is a discard recipe, so we're going to be using 14 grams of instant yeast. Keeping your ingredients warm is going to be the key to these rolls rising quickly. So to that, I add 50 grams of melted butter, 40 grams of honey or sugar, and 120 grams of sourdough discard, room temperature preferred here. Next, we're going in with one large egg, 500 grams of unbleached bread flour, and 10 grams of sea salt. This all gets mixed in our stand mixer for about 5 to 8 minutes until you get a soft and slightly tacky dough. You don't want this dough to be overly sticky, and if it is, you can always add flour like a tablespoon at a time to make sure that you're getting the correct texture. From there, I dump the dough out onto a clean surface, and with my bench scraper, I separate these into 12 equal rolls. They weigh about 80 to 85 grams each, so I like to keep my kitchen scale nearby to ensure that they're all even. I shape each piece into a tight ball by pulling the dough underneath itself, and then I used a cup hand and gently roll it seam side down on the counter in a circular motion, and that creates that tension. These go directly into a greased 9 by 13 pan, or I really highly recommend this USA pan. I don't even have to grease it. It is the best. Cover these with a towel or some plastic wrap, and these are going to go into a warm spot for about 30 minutes or so. I set my proofing box to 80 degrees, but you can also do this in the oven with the light on. The biggest thing here is just making sure that they're being kept warm. Once your rolls are puffed up like this and cuddling together, you're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. This is an optional egg wash, but I highly recommend just crack an egg with a little bit of water, whisk it together, and paint it on each roll before it goes into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or so. It is really that simple. These came out golden and they smell absolutely delicious. To prevent soggy bottoms, I transfer these to a cooling rack and they are ready to serve. If you loved this recipe as much as I do, please hit subscribe, like this video, and leave any comments for me below.